Hello! Welcome back to Ask Chef Tony and good morning. It's 6 a.m. on a beautiful Tuesday here in South Italy. And before we begin the day, before we start cooking, I'm going to show you something a little different. I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Stay tuned.
So this is the first chef knife I ever got. I probably have this since 30 years. I've been working with it, although I have so many other new knives. This is my favorite. I had it forever and I'll cherish forever. However, the handle got deteriorated over the years, so I just stripped everything off. I got back to this. I sanded down a little bit of oxidation, and I'm to this. I got this piece of mahogany from a lumberyard, and I'm starting to shape a new handle. This is as far as I go today. Let's see if I can succeed in build my own chef knife handle. Beh, direi che ci siamo quasi. We're almost there. We did our carving of the zigzag handle, the hole sandwiched in the handle with no gap. So it's going to be totally zero gap. I need to finish it. So I opt for a wood oil and wax. This is food grade. Instead of use varnish that, you know, it's all chemical, versus this. And I'm also doing another knife at the same time, by the way. This is mahogany and this is white birch. And so you got this. It's a semi-liquid wax. You spread it on. I use my fingers with a glove, with a latex glove, and really gotta massage it all over. I let it sit for an hour, and then I'll get the excess off and put more out of the jar. I believe this is made in Germany, actually, because there's a lot of German words here. And for cutting boards, utensils, and Arbeitsplatten, and so forth. And I'm going to do this several times. Since it's the first time for these handles, I'm going to do it several times until they get really impregnated with this. And then, of course, it's going to be all waterproofed, all perfect. And once in a while, as maintenance, you just pass some on as you use the knives and wash them. So there we go with that.